Hey everyone, what's going on? It's another Your Buddy Keever video, and today I'm talking trucks. I'm talking medium duty trucks from Downey Ford. We are Atlantic, Canada's commercial vehicle center, and we are having a work truck sales event June 11th, 12th, and 13th. And check it out, boy do we have trucks work ready, they're ready to go. We've got tow trucks, we even have dump trucks too. You need a garbage truck? We got garbage trucks too. I'm telling you, we got it all down here at the sale. Hey, we got box trucks too. And we got hook lifts. And if you're looking for a flatbed, we got flatbeds too. We've got it all down here at the Downey Commercial Vehicle Center sale. June 11th, 12th, 13th, unlimited kilometer commercial leases, lease to own. We sell, we service, we take care of the whole thing. You want your business making more money? We have the tools, the trucks, the equipment to get it going, and we have the Ford Pros on site. Come down and see us at McAllister Place, June 11th, 12th, 13th, our work truck sales events. Come on, get your business going, guys.